Welcome to Cindy Myers Belly Vibes Drills. Today we're going to focus on the upper body and we're going to create a little bit of a combo. Next week there will be another video with a combination for the hips, and then the week after there's going to be another combo which will combine both of them. Okay, so we're going to start with the upper body. I hope you're all warmed up. Make sure that you warm up before you start any exercise. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with nice slides. Make sure you're in your belly dance posture. Continue sliding and try to make sure that you're isolating your upper body from the lower part, and try not to tip over to the sides. Now we're going to go and take it in 3. So we're going right, pause, and left, pause. If you need to hold on to your hips while you're moving your upper body, please feel free to do so. Now that you managed that, we're going to add the next piece. We're going to add some chest circles. So we're taking them around and around from the last shoulder that you went to. So now we're going to the left, right, left. We're taking the circle over from the left over to the right twice. And then we're going right, taking it over, and left, circle around, and right, circle round and round. Repeat it a couple of times more, then we're going to roll our shoulders a little bit to loosen up. If you need to roll your head for your neck as well, please do so. Otherwise, we're ready to add the next part. We're sliding and then we're circling around again, and then we're adding 2 lifts. Yeah, so we're going to slide, round, and lift, drop, right, left, around, and up, and left, around, up, down, and just repeat the combo on each side, and then we're just going to loosen up by rolling our shoulders and roll your head and your neck, just to make sure that you don't have any stiffness and that you don't tense up. It's really important for you to listen to your body, take breaks in between, drink water, make sure that you shake things and bits out so that you don't tense up and ache the next day. So always make sure that you make time for that in between, and then you can continue with the exercise. Now we're going to make a slight change here. Instead of lifting up right in front of us, we're going to go diagonally. So we're going to slide, around, and then into the corner, Other side, slide, around, and up, Very important here, if you're new to this move, is that you don't drop your shoulders down. Yeah, so it's really a lift that comes from your chest going into the diagonal corner. So try to avoid using your shoulders. Your shoulders shouldn't drive this move at all. They shouldn't feel like they need to push and twist over to help you lift your rib cage. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next week for the hips. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.